Anyone can make a website in 1 minute. Here we go. Right-click on your desktop and make a new text file. Right-click it and do open with and use any text editor you want. I've got a lot to choose from here and I'm obviously going to choose Visual Studio Code Notepad. The language we're using is HTML. It's literally just a bunch of tags. Let's make a body tag by typing open arrow body, closed arrow. And now we have to create a tag closer. So just make the same thing but put a / in front of it. Well done, you made your first tag. Anything that goes inside of this tag is going to be on the website. So if we put a new tag, which is a divider tag, and the text hey inside of it, we've made 2 tags. Now we just have to surround this with more tags so that it actually runs with HTML. You can copy these from the description. Now hit save and make sure that we're saving it as an HTML file. If you only see the name and can't see the TXT file extension, go to your file explorer, hit view, hit show file extensions, and now you should be able to change it to HTML. Now just open your file and there you have it. You made your first website. Obviously we can go much further with this and make some very cold websites. And we're going to be uploading loads of tutorials here on this channel about how you can get to this stage. Thank you for watching.